So I'm gonna be so fucking for real with y'all. I haven't touched my project in like a week. That's okay. We are being honest with ourselves, okay? I still think the idea of getting on here for 15 minutes just to mess around is the like bare minimum is 15 minutes, because usually that 15 minutes turns into an hour and a half, 3 hours, and that's obviously better than me not touching it. But I just sometimes get so intimidated by it, and I know the more that I work on it, I won't be as intimidated and I'll want to come back. So that's what I'm trying to do. If you didn't notice, I rearranged my whole fucking life today also, so that's fun. But I got some, I went to a tattoo convention and I got some new flash, and I just wanted to redo my wall. So this is kind of what we got for now. Love her. That one is new. The other ones up here are not new, but I'm obsessed. I love them. Anyways, oh, also, I got poison oak too. Don't go outside, kids. Just kidding. So, for my project, where I left off was I found a really cool guitar riff that I really love. I'm just trying to like figure out maybe a couple ways to make it a little bit more different. But I really like what I have so far. So again, I am working on that and the drums, and we'll see where we go. I'm starting at 8:30 p.m. right now, and I'll check in when I think I'm done for the night. Alright, it's currently 9:16, so it's been almost an hour of tinkering around. I have fixed some timing things that I've been meaning to go back in and fix. I've just been lazy. So that's nice. Everything is quantized. I think that's the word. I have no brain cells right now, so I'm working a little bit on the drums again, going through what I want. Like, I either want like a timbre, like I want some tambourine sounds in them, but I'm trying to like figure out the first like build up, and obviously like with a kick, and I'm either contemplating like kick tambourine or kick rim snare. I don't know. Like I said, there are way too many fucking options and it overwhelms me, but we are getting over it. Alright guys, I think I am ending it here. I didn't do too much. I just really fixed some of the timing on things that I've been needing to fix, and kind of just like moving around some guitar riffs and stuff like that to where I feel like sound good and like don't overpower everything. And then I think tomorrow, if I touch it tomorrow, I hope I touch it tomorrow, I think I will be working more again on the drums, and then after that, hopefully bass. We'll see. Only time will tell.